Hey now, YouTube. Welcome to everybody joining. Those new to the channel, all is appreciated. Thank you for tapping in. Today we will be going over my 10.5 inch Palmetto State Armory AR-15 setup. Before we go any further, this is a safe firearm. There's no ammunition in this firearm or near my person during the recording of this video. So let's get into it. Once again, this is my 10.5, I'm sorry, getting that confused with my other one. 10.5 inch Palmetto State Armory AR-15 setup. Get right into it, top to bottom. We got Magpull furniture on here from front to back. This is a Magpull stock purchased from Vance Outdoors. They have a couple locations here in my city. Various products for AR builds, different firearms. We have Magpull front and back flip-up sights. Tend to run the back down so I don't bridge my optic, give me a better visual. This is a Magpull foregrip here. Allows me to get a good purchase on this firearm. Excellent purchase. Decent. We have also, this is a Magpull 30 round. I only tend to put about 25. I don't load this thing crazy because you might have some little feeding issues when you load it like that. But moving along, we have a TOUGHSOUL weapon light on here, and as you can see, I have the laser on this thing. This has 3 different settings on it, and I'll show you. You have the light with the laser, and just the laser. So once again, light, laser, light only, light, laser, laser. And I have the pad right on the top here mounted on, as you can see. And it's not aligned with my foregrip. I have it mounted maybe offset by an inch and a half or so. So it allows me to get a good grip on this. So this is a decent weapons light. I got this off of Amazon. And it's definitely budget friendly. Wasn't trying to break the bank on a weapons light. All the weapons you have, you don't want to have over $1,000 invested in weapons light, because it will easily build up like that when building and purchasing firearms. So moving along, optic red dot Cyelee T10. And I don't know if you, oh, there it is right there. Bow. Okay. Decent. Let me know in the comments what you think. Budget build. Definitely didn't break the bank. Decent little setup. Home defense or whatever. Range toy. Passenger princess, whatever. I also have a Law Tactical folding stock for my 10.5 and 11.5 inch AR, so be able to throw that bad boy in a backpack if necessary. A little truck gun, if you will. But yeah. 10.5 inch Palmetto State Armory AR-15 setup. Got Magpull furniture on here. Cyelee T10 red dot optic. TOUGHSOUL TF701 9C weapons light. Decent little setup. Let me know in the comments, y'all, what y'all think. Tap in. Thank you for viewing the video. Be back with more uploads. Y'all stay safe. Stay dangerous.